The Delta HLA Plus can operate as a standalone high water level alarm without internet access. To use all notification and monitoring features in the Delta Pumps app, connect the device to the internet using Wi-Fi or Ethernet. Ensure the Delta HLA Plus is properly installed, with the power supplies connected and float fittings in place. Stand in front of the Delta HLA Plus and hold the Comms button until it flashes green. On a Wi-Fi enabled device, open the Wi-Fi settings and connect to the Delta HLA Plus network. Refresh the Wi-Fi list if the network does not appear. Once connected, open Safari or another web browser and enter 192.168.4.1 in the address bar. The Delta HLA Plus local page will open, where you can choose your preferred internet connection method. The Delta HLA Plus has an Ethernet port for a wired LAN connection. For a stable high-speed connection, connect the Delta HLA Plus directly to a router or network switch using a Cat5 or Cat6 cable. Plug the Ethernet cable into the Ethernet port. Once selected, then click Save. For a Wi-Fi connection, open the pull-down menu and choose the required access point from the SSID list. The signal strength, RSSI, appears next to each network name. For a reliable connection, the RSSI should be between 0 and -60 dBm. An RSSI of -37 dBm indicates an excellent signal. Enter the password for the chosen Wi-Fi network and click Save. The Delta HLA Plus can operate as an independent high water alarm without any networks allocated. The Delta HLA Plus will reboot and reconnect automatically. When the Comms button on the front panel shows a solid green LED, the internet connection is active. After rebooting, the Delta HLA Plus local page will display device details, including connection status. You can also check the device status in the Delta Pumps app after registering the device to a user account.